In this video, I will tell you how you can display any of your website page as a default home page. So before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, click on the theme customizer on the left top corner of the website and then go to drop down. You will find homepage second and click on the homepage second, and here's the option a static page. Now you can choose any of your website page to display it on your home page. So whenever someone visit your website, this page will be displayed as default home page on your website. Thank you for watching.